How to voice activate camera on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow you to manage your device's features. Once you're here, scroll down the menu to find and tap on the Siri option. On the Siri settings page, tap on Talk to Siri to configure how you activate the assistant. Here, select the Siri or Hey Siri option to enable voice activation. Then, tap on Continue to begin training Siri to recognize your voice. You will be prompted to say several phrases aloud. Follow the on-screen instructions to help Siri recognize your voice. After you have successfully repeated all the phrases, a confirmation screen will appear indicating that Siri is ready. Tap on Done to complete the setup. You can now use Siri or Hey Siri to perform tasks hands-free. Now, say Hey Siri, open camera to open the camera application for you. To take a photo, say, Hey Siri, take a picture. A timer will start, and the photo will be taken. Following these steps, you can easily set up Hey Siri on an iPhone.